blimey, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might have to take the box back though, because I won't.
No, I only bought it because of the
I won't
heat.
do that in here.
Right, I did you this. Right, Eddie,
Yeah.
that's yours.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Thank you. So Astrid, how does it feel then to be on the Broads?
Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. I feel like I've come
Yeah, you
home.
feel like you come home?
Yes, it's just amazing. I was looking at the fingers thinking I can't see which one it is. But like, now you've got it look like that. It look like you lost it. How are you doing? Good. How's the friends from Devon?
Yeah,
How are they all? Cornwall? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's fine, bud.
Yeah, he's working like a dog though. Yeah.
Yeah, welcome us on your boat. What's
Welcome
the boat's
to the
name?
Norfolk stretch of the Zambezi River. The crocodiles are pretty snappy at the moment.
Did you lose a leg? I heard you lost a leg.
I'm
And
not
it
going
was
to go
sewn
any
back
jokes about losing bits of bodies.
Did the locals want to try and eat you?
Well, this girl I met last night did.
Yeah. What was her name?
Don't tell the wife.
Mambino.
Did you have to have your legs sewn back on after that huge alligator went after you? Yeah, really terrible. Took his leg off. They froze it and took him to the hospital and just sewn it back on. It's amazing.
And I'm a hero. Here I am again today.
It's a
Hero.
hero.
Crocodile Paul, not Crocodile
Yeah,
Dundee.
Paul Dundee. Eddie, what do you think of your mini
Well, I think
break?
it's a very, very nice, pleasant surprise. I knew it would be good, but I
Yes.
didn't realise how good it would be. It's very pleasant. I mean, what's the bonus? Obviously, the sun's out. Obviously,
Yes.
always brings
Sun's out, look, sun on you, there you go.
always brings out the best in people. Very scenic. We've got the old ducks out.
Are they out on the town, the ducks?
Well, they just chill. They like to go for a swim, don't they?
And I lost an earring.
I haven't seen any naked women about though. That's the only
Right,
sort of,
okay, I'm
you know,
really sorry we
but,
can't organise that for you.
I lost an earring.
Yeah. If you want to put the camera on Paul there.
Yeah, he looks like some tribal African.
I lost an earring last night with Woolabumba. That's racist.
Oh, that is bad.
Paul's just
You don't. You're having a
not red.
laugh.
So
Yeah.
what should we celebrate?
Just being alive.
Just being alive?
Yeah.
And this beautiful
Full of
summer.
Breeders and there's any.
Lola, what do you want to do? Hello, darling, my poopies. Oh,
poopy
lovely
girl,
little-
aren't you?
Yeah, she's beautiful.
good
She's
girl.
now, after all this time, Psycho Lola is now sitting with Uncle Edmund, which is such a positive.
No one's picked your eye. Someone's got to clean the side of the boat with a mop.
That's alright. I'll do that. So Mr. Paul there is doing a cup of tea for his lovely wife.
Cat of tea.
His brother-in-law is a bit of a fucking bell end, and himself. So what do you think about this then? Paul? So what do you think of the show so far then? Mr. Sadler?
What do you think of this?
Well,
No, it's very, I'm impressed.
late night entertainment was a
Yeah.
bit disappointing.
Yeah. Well, what happened?
Well,
Or
you
didn't
old Astrid sharing her curry that she had to eat earlier, she shared it with the fishes. And then more fishes, and even more fishes. In fact, like for half an hour, she's sharing it with the fishes.
Yeah, you did.
And you were singing as well, weren't you? You were going, ah! Ah! I feel sick! I feel sick!
Would you have ever guessed I felt sick?
Yeah, so, yeah, the entertainment last night was a bit to be wanting.
Bit to be wanton. That's a
A
good
bit
word.
to be wanting, yeah.
A bit to be wanton, I like that. That's a good word, that. Astrid, say hello.
Hello, morning.
Morning. Hello.
You know what's nice? I feel a stoat later.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, my
Yeah.
anorexia.
it's coming through. I must admit,
I've done
Astrid,
it
you was a
all.
bit over the top with it all, though, weren't you?
No, it was all down my throat.
You could have just quietly gone to
Yeah,
one
she
side
could have
and
just, you know, most people just vomit
Oh,
quietly.
Quiet.
Astrid has to be all vocal about it.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't very.
If she's being sick, she's got to let the world know.
She couldn't just go somewhere discreetly and just burp it all out.
Just crawl into a corner somewhere and die, you know, just don't tell everybody about it, just do it discreetly. We're going to get bumped. Skipper Eddie!
Yo! This is the first ever time in my life that I can remember I'm actually steering a boat.
Yeah, you need to keep to the right a bit. You're going over to your left bank.
I'm at 10 past 12, is that right?
Yeah, go quarter past.
Is that enough?
Yeah, and then back up to the hour. That's it.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, you can see that.
By Jove, I think you got it, chap. Gin and tonics all round, huh?
On the ocean breeze. What?
Oh, hang on, camera panning is too fast. Oh, right, okay.
Oh.
I'm a Dutch barge, gorgeous. That's where you can live on one of them.
Semi-pikeys.
You need to get over that way.
What, much time now?
Well, we're going to hit that left bank, so you need to get behind that boat. Get behind the Dutch barge.
Got it?
I like your deck shoes, Eddie.
Crocs, mate.
Your Crocs, yeah, they're professional deck shoes.
Is that right? She waved to me there, sequel.
Yeah, you've learned the language already. Get your coat, love, you're pulled.
Yeah. Look at that dashing young man there with the beard.
Yeah, everyone waves to each other on the river, but if they're in the road in cars, everyone's sticking their finger up. Yeah, it's a different language on the Broads.
More etiquette here, isn't it?
Oh. Right, Eddie, this is your first overtaking experience on a boat. You're going to overtake this yacht.
Well, I'm strangling up.
Are you worried?
Not really, because he's tucked over there.
Yeah, you keep over to the right. It's about central. And then you're going straight for that yacht. Do your nautical wave.
Like a veteran now.
Yeah, they're private boat owners. Sometimes they can be a bit snooty. So just keep going straight. Perfect. By Jove, I think you've got it, son. That's it. Don't touch the wheel. Just look. You can see him turning. You're okay. You're going straight ahead. Skipper Eddie! So he's going to go. He's buggered it up.
Oh, right, yeah.
He was trying to pass him right in front of him. He should have gone the other side, over that side of the river. So now he's had to hit the brakes, or rather shove it in reverse, and wait for him to make the manoeuvre. You done better than that.
Yeah, and I'm a novice.
This is on a junction as well. There's two rivers there, and we've got to, where he is, we've got to turn right. The river also goes to the left up to Wroxham. We're going right up to Potterheim.
What are we doing now then?
Just keep going as straight as it is. Perfect. That's a Broad sailing yacht. Beautiful, original.
I am flying, passing
slow down because this yacht's in our way and he's going straight, he's not even tacking. So you just have to stay behind him for a little while. Yeah. Busy junction, this is the N25, the Norfolk Broads. See, there's no engine running. You should see all the back pins.
Oh, right.
Beautiful traditional wooden yacht on the Broads. You watch him turn round. He throws a sail on the other side of the yacht, so they move.
Is that a Dutch windmill over there or what?
Pardon?
Over there.
Yeah, they were coming up now. They knew what to do. See the wing change now?
Yeah.
On the other side of the sail. That's all that's making him move.
I'll be confused with all that. Doing that.
Blue sky!
Hey!
Blue skies! Oh, here's some fun!
Chaos. Chaos on the
Chaos.
chaos on the Broads.
Stops. Up to them to do what they need to do to get out of it. And look how close it is.
Wow, look at that. That's crazy, man. Who needs the M25 when you got the Broads 25? Whoa. This looks good. Everywhere now.
Get some good shots.
Yeah, oh yeah. Follow that one behind in front of us.
They're all wooden them boats. The hull as well. No fiberglass on them at all. From Huntley's boatyard. There's not even an engine on board. If there's no wind, they've got a big hole to pump along the river. Real traditional. Beautiful boat. None of your mod cons on them. No TVs or fridges, not even oh, they've got a sea toilet. You just pump it straight in the river.
Oh, that's a bit naff.
Yeah. Well, only those are allowed it, the traditional ones.
Oh, right. Adios, gringo.
Adios. Stop the boat.